This is a message from Punjab Police for the international viewers and for the people who do not understand Urdu and understand English. I have with me a Pakistan's newspaper which carries a message from the government of Punjab. It is the pact or the order, the instructions given by the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to all the Muslims till the last day, that these orders will be implemented by the Muslims till the day of judgment. And I read out, no one is to destroy a house of their religion, to damage it, or to carry anything from it to the Muslims' houses. Should anyone take any of these, he would spoil God's covenant and disobey his prophet. Their churches are to be respected. They are neither to be prevented from repairing them, nor the sacredness of their covenants. No one of the nation is to destroy the covenant till the last day. The Punjab Police, in line with the national narrative, has decided to establish Meesaq Centers. Meesaq, the word means pact, covenant, or a promise. It comes from Meesaq Medina, that was done 1400 years back by the greatest man, the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He had ensured that we will give the rights to the citizens equally, even if they are non-Muslims. So, Punjab Police, in line with the national narrative and according to the orders of our Holy Prophet, has established Meesaq Centers. In these Meesaq Centers, we will provide for a solution to the problems of the minorities, especially Christians. Their rights will be ensured. The policing initiatives and policies will be made available to the minorities. We will ensure interfaith harmony through dialogue and by inviting teachers and professors from all over the district where these Meesaq Centers would be established. And at the same time, we will implement the national narrative of equality for all the citizens of this country. Whatever happened in Jaranwala seems to be exactly opposite of what I'm saying, but it is not so. Many Christian houses were protected by the Muslims, and the reconstruction and reconciliation process has already started, which involves all the communities and all the members of various faiths. We assure you, the international community and our foreign viewers, that Punjab Police, in line with the instructions of the Prime Minister of this country and the orders of the worthy Chief Minister of Punjab, will make sure that no such incident is repeated, and everybody who is behind this will be prosecuted, and for that the arrests have already been made. May God be with us.